Welcome to this bonus video about languages as nouns. You've probably learned that languages are neuter nouns which usually don't have articles. For example, ich kann Deutsch und Englisch. I can speak German and English. Sprechen Sie Deutsch? Do you speak German? Deutsch ist eine schöne Sprache. German is a beautiful language. Der Film ist auf Französisch. The movie is in French. But did you know that there is a second form for language nouns? It is the article version of the language, and it is used when the language comes with a definite article, which is das, dem, or des, or if it is used with a contraction. A contraction is a preposition that merged with the definite article. For example, im, ins, zum, vom, aufs. So in combination with a definite article or a contraction, you use this form instead. It is just the same noun but followed by e for nominative and accusative and n for dative and genitive. For example, das Deutsche, dem Deutschen, des Deutschen. Das Englische, dem Englischen, des Englischen. Let's look at some example sentences. Hat das Buch vom Japanischen ins Deutsche übersetzt. He translated the book from Japanese to German. Das ist ein Fremdwort aus dem Französischen. This is a loan word from French. Das Deutsche ist eine schöne Sprache. German is a beautiful language. Ist des Englischen nicht mächtig. He doesn't speak English. Literally, he isn't capable of English. Im Deutschen benutzt man diesen Ausdruck nicht. In German, this expression isn't used. Once again, you need to put an e for nominative and accusative, or n for dative and genitive at the end of the language noun if you want to use it with a definite article or a contraction. Tschüss!